Is your iCloud opening but not loading on your Mac Mini, M1, M2, M3, or M4? This usually happens due to network issues, Apple ID problems, or temporary glitches in macOS. In this video, I'll show you how to solve iCloud not loading on your Mac Mini. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection, turn your Wi-Fi off and then on again on your Mac. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Sign out and sign back in to your Apple ID. First, click on the Apple menu in the top left corner. Then click on the System Settings. Now click on your Apple ID. After that, scroll all the way down. Then click on Sign Out. Here you will need to choose whether to keep a copy of your iCloud data on your Mac. If you want, then click on Keep Copy. Once signed out, restart your Mac. After restarting your Mac, go back to System Settings and click on Sign In with your Apple ID at the top. If you're still facing the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Firewall Settings. Go to the Settings app, now click on the Network button, then click on Firewall. If Firewall is turned on, then click on Options below. Now make sure to toggle off this option called Block All Incoming Connections. Solution 3. Check Software Update. Open up the settings, then tap General. Now tap Software Update. If you see any updates available, then install them. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Go to the System Settings again. Scroll down a little bit in the sidebar, then click on General. Now scroll all the way down and click on Transfer or Reset. Then click on Erase All Content and Settings. Here, enter your Mac's password. Often, you need to enter your Apple ID password for the Find My app. Then again, click on Erase All Content and Settings. Now it will erase everything, like your data and settings, Apple ID and Touch ID fingerprints, all your apps and media, all your settings. Hope your issue is solved. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.